Okay, part 2. Here it comes.
Ken.
Fostoria Ohio. High five.
Slow train.
Are you ready?
I don't got all day.
Are you filming too?
No.
Okay. Gates going down. Remember, we can wave and honk, right?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Alright, boys, here we go. First one. Chugga, chugga, chew, chew.
CSX 5,477. That's what the number is. Hey, wait.
Are you taking video? Go stand up and watch it with my picture.
Wave to Tyler.
Hey, go up and hurry. Oh, shit.
I still brought my earplugs.
You're fine.
Yeah, are you gonna wave? Wave. See how close we are? It's better. And CSX 5,319. Cool, high five. Those are big box cars. They've seen the burger one again. Yeah, he's definitely gonna turn. He's gonna turn.
Yeah. What's wrong? Train?
Car already.
Done. No, it's not. It looks short, but it's not.
Yes.
It looks short, but it's not.
Oh, I mean, I could start counting cars. Are you counting?
Yeah.
Are there any cars in there? Yep, there's cars. Mixedfreight, all kinds of cars. There's some other cars coming.
Articulated.
Hopefully, I hope my camera's fully charged.
Oh, mine's not.
Mom told me not to worry because she has her camera too.
Oh, mine's not.
Are you filming a video?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, mine's about to die.
Yeah, that's good. It's a pretty long one.
Yo,
Huh?
I can jump on that with ease.
After, when it ends, I'm going to walk over and see if he's turning. Alright guys, so here's CSX, here's train 131 for this week. So there was a whole bunch of grand trains last night. By the way guys, good news. New camera. Better quality. This is this is Fostoria on Saturday, December, what's today's date? December 20th?
2 miles an hour.
Wednesday was the 20th.
Hey, 2 hours later.
What?
This train's going slow.
Yeah, I know. I think he's gonna turn.
No left turns.
Once he quits, I'm gonna see if he turns. You know what? For the rest of the trains, I'll film it. It's in the back. I'm not gonna worry about the gates because I want to film a whole bunch. I'm still very remote. That's a long time.
Yeah, I see the end. I see the end.
You see the end?
I see the end. The end.
Yep. Wait. You see the end?
No, no.
Not yet.
Get back.
A long time. The end wave, but that's okay.
Look at this dude. Look at me. Look at me.
That always happens. That happens sometimes.
Look at that. Look at that.
Alright, hope he doesn't stop. Once he's done turning, I think he's going to start speeding up.
Yeah.
You know that track we went over?
Yeah.
I think that's where he's going. Oh, Tyler, see that white car hauler?
Yeah.
That is brand new.
How you know that?
That is so cool.
How you know it's brand new?
Being a step car hauler, look how clean and new it is. It's so cool, isn't it? You can tell how shiny it is. Wow. Do it!
What?
Look at the graffiti.
Dude, there's cars in the back.
What the? Is that Monster High?
No.
What is that?
Kiss.
That's
Girl kiss.
That's so funny.
That's girl kiss.
People do graffiti all the time.
Yeah.
Come on, Green, hurry up. Here comes another white one. It's a little icy.
Hopefully not.
Well, yeah, at some point. Hope we get a westbound soon. I think we're gonna go westbound soon. Mask. That's a long train.
I'm drowning. Look at that one over there.
You hear one? Yep. That is a long. Here's another graffiti. That's long. Oh my god. This train is so long.
Yeah, it is. 5 minutes long.
Yeah. Hey.
That did not sound good.
I know. And that's okay. There'll be more. It's probably the same one. There's a whole bunch of crossings over there. Not too close. Stay back. Not too close. This one is brand new. Probably in the car.
There's a train going that way.
Oh, turning?
No, there's another train going that way.
Oh.
That's why it's slow. It's turning. You know how how does the siding goes that way?
Cool.
Hey, you know how does the siding?
What kind of cars does it have?
It's mixed like this one. You know how there's the train. You know how the siding goes like this? It's like that.
Is it going fast or the same speed?
Oh, it's going a little faster. See, you know, this is turning into the siding.
Okay. I'm gonna go film it so I can add it to YouTube.
No, it's good. It's good.
Oh wait, you filmed it already?
No, it's not. It's not good. You already missed it.
This one, well, yeah, it's a lot. High five. Good morning, good. High five. Is that awesome? Yeah, that's awesome, huh? That car hard is very old.
Hey, keep recording. Keep recording.
Alright guys, I don't see the end of this yet. Hang on. Yeah, that's a long train. Yeah, because... Oh crap, my batteries have that. That's okay. No, it's not. Dude, relax. Mom's got her camera too, okay? Relax. So what? It's okay, I guess this is a good one. This is a real good, this is a... Yes? Not too close. Stay back. Okay? Here. Not here. Stay right here. It's not, you're not supposed to be that close to it. Hi. Long? Did you hear a different horn?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. There'll be more.
Hey, it probably went past the Iron Triangle.
Huh?
It probably went past the Iron Triangle.
I know, it's okay. I just want to stay here for now. I just want to stay here. I still don't see the end yet, guys. What the heck? Here's a new BNSF. Here's a new BNSF car hauler. Tyler, look at this car hauler. It's brand new. This one right here. Uh-oh, is he stopping? I'm gonna go shiny BNSF. This is a long train, Tyler.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome, isn't it? High five.
Gabe, record the train. Record.
What is the, oh my god. Come on, train, hurry up. I want to focus on more. This is... My battery's gonna get... Hopefully my battery's not low. Yeah, here, it was 5,400, CSX 5,477 and CSX 5,318, I think. That's what the number was. Here's train 131 for this week. Tonight I'm possibly gonna work stream all night again. I wonder if there's any truck frames on this train. We'll find out. That's a long. Jesus! Once he's done turning, he'll start to speed up at that other crossing. You know that crossing you see on that road down there? That's where he's going. He's gonna, once he's done turning, he'll start speeding up and go faster towards Toledo, Ohio. He'll probably end up in Michigan. He'll probably end up in Michigan. Oh, that's a good receipt. That's a long time. Seriously, I still don't see the end. Wait, I think I see the end. Nope. Yeah. His cars keep fading. Oh, I thought I saw the end. Come on, train, keep going. Here comes some bot cars. You know what? Oh no, it's more. Hey Tyler, the end's coming. I think. I'm not sure. How you got it? Awesome. Wait. Oh, this one's gonna lose. Yeah, that's okay. Let's start speeding up down. Oh, there he's done. What the heck? These cars, yeah, back up. These cars are way too big. Look at these car hauls. These are very old. There's just a bit. There's 1, 2, 3. A whole bunch of them. Yeah, guys, this is a long train. 125. What is that? Kansas City Southern. That would be. Well, awesome. This is our very first train of Fostoria, Ohio. That's the end. I still don't see the end. It's a long train. This vehicle. Come on, train, hurry up. Well, when trains are turning, they always have to go slow, because if they started to go fast, the cars would tip over, so they have to go slow. Once this train ends, I'm going to stop the video, okay? It's going to end soon, don't worry. See the end yet?
Yeah, it's done.
Not yet? Okay.
I see the legit end.
No, yeah, bound.
I see the legit
Wait,
end.
it's the end.
There's an end.
Is that awesome?
There's an end.
Tyler, is that awesome?
Yes, there's an
Okay.
end.
Yeah, here comes the end. Finally. Thank God.
Oh, finally. Oh,
Alright guys, here's the end. I'm gonna stop the video now. That's where, let's just, here.
yes, racing cars I'm very proud of.
Nice. There's GM right here. Car haul. A very old car haul with GM. Yep, I know, that's a long train. Hi guys, Fostoria Ohio. There's GM right here. Okay.
It's done!